Hey Sahil and Aman, you've requested a video on Seiko leather strap watches. From a brand well known for precision and innovation, Seiko's leather strap watches focus on comfort and convenience factor. Here, we've shortlisted 3 leather strap watches from Seiko. First, we have the Presage automatic watch. This blue dial timepiece from the cocktail collection of Seiko Presage is a skeleton watch with a see-through case back that operates on an automatic movement. A blue stainless steel case protected by hardlex glass and a blue leather strap enhances its charm and adds durability. A water resistance of up to 50 meters also enhances its reliability. Next, we have the Presage cocktail time watch. This classic timepiece with an automatic movement, a stainless steel case, and 50 meters of water resistance promises a durable timekeeping experience. Its green round dial is protected by a hardlex glass, while its leather strap made of calfskin ensures both style and durability. It also features a date window. Lastly, we have the Presage green dial watch, featuring a date window, automatic movement, luminescent hands, and a brown leather strap. This elegant timepiece is all about convenience. Its round green dial, encased in a stainless steel case, is protected by a hardlex glass, and it also features 50 meters of water resistance. Which category do you want to know about next? Comment below.